Hi guys, so we're going to be creating a product in this video. You need to create the product before you can add it to the funnel. It's pretty straightforward, but there are a number of steps that you can follow. So let's go ahead and walk you through it. So we're going to click on create product here on the left hand side. And this is going to bring up 4 buttons, of which you can create the product, database, text file, URL, and manual. So if you click on manual, it just basically means that you go to the edit screen that you'll see in a few moments, and you can add pages and you can type them up and use the system, but the pages you'll create yourselves, okay? You can copy stuff over, so on and so forth, okay? Now what I recommend is using the database because we can add pages afterwards anyway. So we'll click on database here, and we've got the ability here to put in a keyword. So I'm just going to put in affiliate marketing. Now we've got the ability to choose between different places to search, and then you've got the ability to choose whether you want, how you want to search, any keyword, all keywords, or keyword phrase. Now I like to choose exact phrase rather than searching for, you know, both words irrespective. So if I search for that, it's going to search for that as one phrase, for example. Now we're going to choose how many articles we want to find. So I'm just going to do 50. And then what we do is we go through and we cherry pick the ones that we want to go in our product. So I'm going to click find, and it's going to take a few moments just to populate them from these databases. And then what happens here is that we can just flick through these and see what we want, and these are effectively going to be chapters in our product. Okay, so we'll just go through them. We might want to have a read of these different ones, see which ones that might be suitable, and then once we click the check box on the right hand side. You know, so we can go through these and choose as many as we think are suitable. Some obviously won't, because, you know, it's going through a big database, and some of the articles are just not going to be suitable, okay? But some are. You know, it all depends on what your keywords are. Let's go with that one. So is that 5? Let's go for 6. Is that 6? I kind of lost count. If we try and find one more. Let's go with that one. So once we're happy, we'll just scroll down to the bottom of the page. And you're going to see that there's a create button, so we're going to click on that. And we're going to go to this page. So this is what I was just speaking about a moment ago. You go to the page that is manual, you're going to come to this page where you can do all the settings, and it would just be that you won't have these articles that we've got because we selected them from the database, okay? So what we can do in here is we can put in a name. So I'm just going to delete that. And I'm going to put in that name. Here you can put in the author. So I'm just going to put in that. Here we can select a cover image. Now there's a separate video all about designing that. So we're going to click on browse, and we've got the ability here to click on cover. And any of the ones that we have created before will be in this folder. So we can click on it. Alternatively, we can click on the plus here and upload our own one from scratch. So I'm just going to go with that one, and you can see that it just puts it in there. Now we've got the ability to put in a subheader, and I'm going to put in, so this will be on the title page of the book. So I'm going to put in, what shall we say, 6 essential lessons. 6 essential lessons. Then we can choose a font family. I'm going to go with Lato, like Lato. And this is the body text size. Body text. So I'm going to go for something punchy, 22. Got the ability to go dark mode, and essentially what that means is it means that the pages will be black and the text will be white. You know, negative rather than white with black text. Page numbering, I'm going to put it in the footer. And then we've got the header settings. Header setting, so you know you can replicate the title of the book here. There's the ability to put in a link to make it clickable if you want. You can align it, change the color if you want, change the text size, and for the header, I'm going to go with, let's go with 18. Let's go with 18. In the footer, I can't put text or anything because I've actually got the page numbering. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to center it because, you know, I like everything in the center. And I'm going to keep the text, should we say 18 as well? Then the title, this is going to be the titles of the chapters. So let's go with center again, and we'll go with a text size. Let's make it really big. What should we go with? 28. And then we've got a call to action. We've got the ability to put another line of text at the top of the page. So I'm going to just say, click on this one. Now I could put in a link here. So this could be an affiliate link, could be a YouTube channel link, whatever it might be. You can put that in. I'm just going to put in Google for this example, but you would put in the link that you would want to drive that traffic to. You'd have a compelling call to action. But anyway, so I'm going to put in center as well, and let's leave it at 15 point, you know, so it's not too big. And once that's done, I'm going to click Save Changes, just so it's all changed, so you can see my cover is there, and everything I've done should be okay. And then what we can do is we can go down to the actual chapters of the books, and I can go through these. It might be better that some go in different orders. So, you know, you might want to have that one as your first one. And if that's the case, you reorder, and you can see that this is the current order. And you can see they're out of order. So we need to click Save Order here. And it should change it. So we've got the first one there. Now what we can do is we can click this button and we can edit it. So if we wanted to change any of the text, we can go in here and we can change it, and you can see we can change that text if we would like to. And we can add different bits and pieces here, headings and text and images and all this all good stuff. Okay. Now, once we're happy, we just click Save and Close. We've also got the ability to add new chapters. So just say we wanted to add like a, if we just click an add, we've got the ability to use some templates. So we can choose, just say a 4-image page. We'll just click OK there. And then you can see here, it just says click the page. And then we can just add an image. So let's go back and add this image that we had there. And you can see there, that's just a full image. So I'm just going to put here, that's probably New York City. And we'll click Save. And you'll see that that is now positioned there. So, you know, that's pretty cool. So I could just put that up there if I wanted to. I can click Save Order. And then that is going to be there. So it's going to be a full-page image that's going to go beneath these articles. Okay, so once we're actually happy with everything, if you do anything, you always need to click Save. So click Save, Save Changes before you've done anything. And then I can click Regenerate my book. And you can see that it's just formulating there. You can see it in the background. It's just generating the book, which is really, really cool. And once that's there, you can see that we've got the information about it. We've got the amount of pages there, the size of it. We can download it in all of these different formats if we want to put it elsewhere on the net, for example. And we've got the ability to preview the book. We can regenerate it if we've made any changes to it. We can edit it. And we can actually delete it if we're not too happy with that specific book. Okay, so that's that. So the next video, we're going to show you how to take this product and add it into the system. And then the next one will be how to add it into a funnel. Okay, so we'll see you in the next video.